In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glowing outline for your images using Canva. This is a fantastic way to make your visuals pop and add a professional touch to your designs. Whether you're working on a LinkedIn post or a captivating presentation, mastering the art of creating a glowing outline can make all the difference. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Canva document you want to work on. If you haven't signed up yet, Canva provides both free and paid options, allowing you to choose one that best suits your needs. Once you're in, have your document open and we can get started on making your image shine. When you're ready to create a glowing outline, begin by selecting the image you want to work on. With your image selected, look for the Edit option. Clicking this will open up a range of editing tools specifically designed to enhance your image. The option to create a glowing effect is nestled among these. Next, look for the Shadows option under the FX section. This section allows you to apply various effects to your images, with glow being the option that will give your image that radiant aura you're aiming for. Once you click on glow, you'll see that it's more than just a simple on-off effect. This is where Canva's powerful customization tools come into play. You have the ability to adjust three key settings: size, blur amount, and intensity. Each of these adjustments will contribute to the overall look of your glowing outline. The size setting will determine how wide or narrow the glow appears. Adjusting the blur amount will affect the softness of the glow, making it more diffused or sharp depending on your preference. Lastly, you can adjust the intensity to make the glow more subtle or more pronounced based on the visual impact you're seeking. And that's it. You've successfully created a glowing outline around your image using Canva. This technique can really elevate your design game, adding a unique and polished finish to your work. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and settings to find the combination that best fits your creative vision. I hope you found this guide helpful. It's amazing how simple adjustments can drastically improve the aesthetics of your graphics. Feel free to explore more features within Canva, as it's a treasure trove of design possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.